That's just the tip of that.
Mark, there's an earthquake. Robin.
Earthquakes are frequent here. That was an aftershock. They're worse than that.
Now watch Mark do an aftershock. Very impressive, Mark. Watch this. Let's see Mark flip. Him and the couch will be suspended to the ceiling. What do you know? There it is, folks. And let's watch this one, Mark. Nice music again. This is Jen Jody's friend. And there's Jody. There's Jody. Hey, what do you know? Mark's eating waffles. Let's back away just a little bit. How are those waffles there, Mark? Hey, Mom. Say cheese.
Like Scott has the brains to know how to videotape.
I like it.
That's why I just said there's an ugly thing named Jody. That's brains. Sorry about that lens cap. Mark's favorite band. Trying to focus it, sir. Let's take a look here. Mark, listen. It's slowing way down. Okay, let's see a mouse's point of view in life. Get ready for this. The carpet. The mouse. Ah. The mouse just died. Here's a rabbit.
Can I see you play? Pause.
Backlight. What'd you do?
I'm like this. What, Mom? No, we're going to